Make a great choice today with the 2015 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.